Struggling to find where to post manual journal entries in Zoho Books? Learn the exact steps to create one in under 2 minutes. First, we'll open Zoho Books and navigate to the chart of accounts. Then, I'll show you how to create a new account and save it. Let's open Zoho Books. Click on the Accountant module. Click on Chart of Accounts. Click New to create an account. Select the account type from the drop-down. For example, click on Cash. Type the account name. Enter the account code. Add a description. Click Save to finish. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.